Yes, yes, please.
I'm Divyansh. I'm a student coordinator of this workshop, and it is a request from you. Like our technical host is unable to join, and she's unable, we are unable to connect to her. So, if it is possible, is it possible for you to continue for two more hours the recording
Yeah,
of the workshop too?
yeah, sure. I'll leave the recording on in that case.
That would be
Okay,
great.
yeah, sure.
So we can start the workshop now.
Okay, I was just doing a small round of introduction of everybody. So, Rajiv ji, thank you so much for doing it. And
So,
we, yeah, no, you can take it
I
on
will
from
ask
here.
Tripti ji to join, and
Yeah.
no, you first let the introduction be completed. I will ask Tripti has joined, so let the introduction be completed, and then we will start.
All right,
Okay.
sure. Ramya Krishnan ji,
Yeah, Neenu, I talked to Nikhil Bhaiya. He told
ha,
me that you will continue.
yeah. Nikhil, I spoke to Nikhil.
Okay.
Tripti ji, we were just doing a small round of quick introductions from everybody before we begin the workshop today. Since it's the last day, so I just thought maybe everybody can introduce themselves. So
Yeah, all
there are
right.
just three more people. Can I finish that and then maybe you can take over the session if that's all right?
Yeah, sure, sure. No
Yeah,
problem.
thank you so
Yeah.
much. Uh, Ramya Krishnan ji, would you like to introduce yourself?
Sorry for interruption. She is already the artist. She is with Unni Krishnan sir.
She is with
Hello.
Unnikrishnan, sir. Okay, I'm so sorry, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
So I believe I've covered everybody. If I've missed out on somebody, uh, please do come forward and introduce yourselves. So I think we're done with the introduction round. You can continue with the
All right.
yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, namaste. Welcome everyone to the last day of workshop. Now I welcome Unni Krishnan ji sir for starting the workshop. Unni Krishnan ji sir. Well, before starting the workshop, I have some information for all the delegates. As we have already told that we have to give a video of a small performance for 2 to 4 sessions. So now it has changed. We don't have to give any videos because of the technical problem. It's unable to show live. So any one of the delegates has to share her experience or his experience in that duration. So, ma'am or sir, please select a one delegate who can share his or her experience of this workshop from 2 to 4 sessions. He will be or she will be there in that session from 2 to 4. Instead of showing mudras and dance performance, he or she will share his or her experience because in due to some technical reasons, it's unable to perform there. That's why.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Good morning. Namaste. Namaskaram. All of you, please switch on your videos so that we can meet. Yeah. Okay. All of you have heard, like Tripti ji said, one of you to from 2 to 4, you have to express your whatever you have your expression, and you have to express yourself. So if anybody is interested, you can tell us, because all of you are same before us. Anyone, if anyone of you is interested to present or to express about a workshop, you can come forward. That will be good advice. അല്ല മുദ്ര കാണിക്കേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല ജസ്റ്റ് ഇത് മാത്രം പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി Thanks.
What I can do is, I will message you my experience, and somebody can read it out at the workshop. Is that okay, Tripti?
I think one should be there from 2 to 4. One should be there. I think so.
Tripti
Sir,
will be
it's
there.
it's really a nice idea. No problem in that. Even everyone can share his or her views with the artist. It's really, I think they will really enjoy that experience if they will read or uh, listen to that. And you can share, no problem.
No, it
But
will
in
definitely.
that particular session from 2 to 4, you must be there for sharing. It will
Uh,
be go live.
okay, but there's no video required, right?
No video required for that. We will share the link with with the delegate who wanted to share his or her experience.
Okay, send me the link. I'll try to be there, but I'll share the message
Let's
with
try. You have
Madam
to be
and.
sure.
Sorry.
You told me that you will try. Well, if you are sure, then I will send you. I will add you in the group and will share the
Add,
link with you.
add me in the group. No problem.
All
Why I
right.
said is my
Uh,
granddaughter is coming.
all right. All right. Well,
No, no,
other
I will,
delegates who want
I
to.
will, I will try. I'll try to be there. Add me in the link.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, experience will be shared.
But you can share your experience with sir or ma'am. They will really enjoy.
No, that I will
Yeah, of
definitely
course,
do.
we want your experience from all of your side. We want your experience because it will be a great experience for us. Anyway, you
First,
want to share, and one should be there at that time.
we will share
Ma'am,
with you
I
first.
will add you in a group. I have a group of these students. From there, you can see their experiences. I don't have to send you one by one.
Okay.
All right? Yeah. Okay, now we can start.
Yeah.
Start.
Yeah. Let us start. So today's session, let us start with our regular exercises from face and hands. Okay.
Last day.
Oh, this is the last day. We think you all should have practiced
Last day.
everything from 3 a.m. So we will start with face exercises, starting with eyebrows.
No. First day, last day, its first expression, sad.
Yeah, this is going to be finished. We also feeling sad. Yeah.
Sorry, starting eyebrow.
Eyebrow.
Eyebrow. Sri Gauri, eyebrow. Next one.
Second one.
Our eyes open.
Maximum widen your eyes. Yeah, and then move this part only.
And lip.
Maximum smile. Now, eye exercise. Maximum widen your eyes.
Left round.
Left to round. Complete one rotation. Yeah. Don't close your eyes. Maximum widen. And to the opposite, right to left rotation. Fast rotation. Now to left and right. Fix 2 points on opposite side. One is at the left and one is at the right. And just look at that 2 points only. Left, right, right. Keep your face straight. Rohitji, keep your face straight. Yeah, yeah. Fast. Fast movement to left and right. Now hand exercise. Purnanabham and to and fro movement. You have to keep your knee and this hand in same level. Don't keep the knees down. It will be straight. First slowly and then fast movement. Now mushti. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Yeah. Next. Mudrakyam. Ilayaraja Narayan, you have to keep your knees like this in straight position. Don't keep it down. Yeah, that is the correct position. Always when we do exercise, we have to keep your knees like this only. It will pain. Of course, it will pain, but practice. Now, Mrigashirsha. Yeah. Hamsapaksham. Right hand Mudrakyam and left hand Ardhachandram. Both on the forehead and they should be in same straight line. And this Mudrakyam outwards and Ardhachandram inward. Yeah.
Ti, ti, te, ta, ta, ti, ti, te, ta, ta, ti, ti, te, ta, ta, ti, ti, te, ta, ta.
Rajiv Makar, Kavya, you can please keep your hands just up. Yeah.
Ti, ti, te, ta, ta, 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 ti, ti, te, 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 ti, ti, te.
Yes. Now we can move to mudras. First, we will start with mudras of our padam that we have studied. I think you all got the videos, right? Yeah. So we can start with that padam, remembering mudras first, and then we move to that padam. Okay? Parshadi.
Parshadi. Left hand kadagam and right hand amsasyam. Front of kadagam, left side.
Starting from left.
Left.
And small rotation. This kadagam should be in the center. Triptiji, center. Yeah. Yeah.
Keep smile. One small round. And finishing together.
Yeah.
Front of
chest. Don't cross these both hands. Should be, yeah, right.
Parshadi.
Addressing.
With
left hand.
Left hand.
With left hand. Because we said yesterday, Krishna is at the right side and Panchali is at the left side. So we are talking to the left side. So we are using left hand.
Parshadi.
Mama.
Saki.
My.
Yeah. My. Sakhi, friend.
In the left hand, the mudra should be Kadagam, and right hand, Padagam, to indicate lady, because we are calling Panchali, partially. So left hand, Kadagam, and right hand, Padagam. And again, addressing Sakhi, oh my dear friend.
Same mudra.
Kartari Mukha. Like you, that we have studied for you, the same mudra we are using to address. Sakhi.
Ma Kuru.
Ma Kuru.
Ma Kuru.
No, don't.
Don't.
Rohit is thinking what the mudra is. Think. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, Mushti, starting with Mushti. Just open it. Then Hamsa Paksham. We have to just vibrate.
Vibrate.
Yeah. Using left hand. We are
Head opposite.
yeah, head to the opposite side.
2 and 3 times and finishing
At the
slowly.
center. Yeah.
Finish. Ma Kuru.
Ma Kuru.
Devitam.
Cry.
Cry.
Yeah, our face expression should be sadness.
Ma Kuru Devitam. Next one.
Manini Mar.
Manini Ma.
Yeah,
Yes.
beautiful
Beautiful
lady.
lady.
Yes. Kadagam and Mrigashirsham. Mrigashirsham starting from the top of this Kadagam. Yeah. And a small round.
Keep smile. Small half round.
Just move your neck with smile. Yeah. Manini, beautiful lady. Mar,
Mar.
ladies.
Starting Hamsapaksham. Open and come one round. And Sujika Mukam. Move.
That plural we are doing with right hand.
One more. Sujika Mukam. Just move.
Upwards. Yeah.
Okay.
Manini, Mar.
Kulam.
Kula, group.
Group.
Yes, yes, yes.
Group. Sujika Mukam.
Starting from left,
Together. Finger.
left, yeah,
Small inside round.
yeah.
Small. Slowly movements. Eyes up and down.
Eyes should be up and down. Yeah.
And finish.
Finish it at the center. Yeah.
At the
Kula.
center.
Mauli. Head.
Head. Yes.
Yes.
One line, small line. Front of head.
Yes.
Mauli.
Using right hand. Using right hand.
Mane.
Yeah.
Mane.
Diamond.
Not lady. This one. Diamond. And Vardhaman. Vardhaman. One by one. Okay. Front side mushti, right hand. One round.
Open it. Urnanabam.
Purnanabam.
Then vibration.
Vibrate.
And our eyes should be left and right, left and right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. One complete rotation.
Mauli.
Mane. Again addressing.
Addressing very not easily. It's starting and open. Go.
Don't go our knees down.
Down,
It should
up,
be
only
always
straight.
like this.
Go straight and finishing straight.
Kartari Mukham.
Mauli Mane. Shrinu. Shrinu.
Please hear.
Please hear. Here, please.
Yeah.
Yes, starting Hamsapaksham, front of chest, small movement,
Up to ear.
slowly down, eyes down, and up.
Kattari Mukha. Final Kattari Mukha.
Listen, please.
Please. Full stop with this.
Ah.
Yeah. Mushti.
Open,
Hamsapaksham.
small, round, and up. And finishing front of head.
Yes. Manini mat kulam.
Taddim, taddim. Good.
Kedadagi titta tatta tindatta titte da ditta didatte. Correct.
Correct.
So you have watched the videos, I think.
Okay, once more.
Yeah.
Once
Once more we will do it.
Parshadi, Mama Saki. More fast, Mudra.
You can do it very fast.
Very fast.
Now, everyone did. Yeah.
Parshadi.
Parshati.
Finishing front of
At the center.
center.
Yeah.
Parshati, Parshati, addressing. Mama Sakhi, my friend. My friend.
Mama Sakhi
Address.
is the addressing. Yeah.
Mama Sakhi.
Ma.
Ma Kuru. Don't.
Using one hand only.
Left hand.
Yeah.
Left hand.
Left hand.
Left hand.
Left hand.
No, 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 no.
Don't.
Ma Kuru. Devita.
Right.
Right.
Manini ma.
Manini Ma. Beautiful ladies. Manini Ma. Plural. Hamsapaksham. Sujigamukam. Just move.
Then open last. Also, Suchika Mukha only. Yeah. Manini ma. Kula.
Kula. Group. Sujigamukam.
Starting from left. And
Together.
yeah. Eyes up and down.
Small inside movement.
Yeah. One complete rotation. And we are ending it at the center only.
Kula. Mauli. Head.
Yes. Suchika Mukha.
Right hand.
Using right hand. Using right
Sujigamukam.
hand.
Sujigamukam. Kumar sir, Sujigamukam. Mauli. Mane.
Diamond.
This. Vardhamanagam. Okay. Vardhamanagam. One small round and open, vibrate, heavy vibrate. Addressing Mauli Mane, Diamond, you, Mauli Mane, Shrinu. Listen, hear it. Starting front of chest and small round and up, nearby ear,
slowly
down,
and then fastly up.
up.
Kartari Mukha.
Kartari Mukha. Please. Okay. Good. Good work.
Now,
No?
अब एक बार हम लोग करें सर, आप देखना.
Okay. Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
of course.
That's good.
That is the spirit.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was trying to record, my battery went down.
Okay.
Start. Everyone, please do it.
Parshati. എങ്ങനെ വേണം ചെയ്തോളാം. Parshati address.
Yes.
Mama. Sakhi, friend. Address.
Makuru.
Don't. Makuru.
Devidam. Yes. Manini. Yeah. Very good. See, Gauri is not doing. Okay. Manini.
Beautiful lady.
Mar.
Plural. Yes.
Very good.
Mar.
Kula.
Group. Yes. Kula.
Mauli. Yeah. Head.
Mane.
Diamond.
Diamond for not lady.
Vardhamanagam. Yeah, not correct. Yes.
Finishing. Rajiv, Rohit, finish. Okay.
Yeah. Mane. Addressing.
Mane.
Yes.
Mane.
Srinu. Here. No. That is, see, Rohitji. Yeah.
Okay.
Sritiji, it's correct. Rohitji, yeah. Start with Hamsabak.
Okay.
Yeah. Now it is correct.
Okay. Please.
Yeah. Right. Down and up. Kartari Mukha. Yeah.
Okay.
Please.
Starting Musti. Please. Open.
Please. Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Very good. Yeah. Take that thing.
We are so happy. We are
so
happy to your
to see your
to
see
see
your
Katha
Kali. Yeah.
Okay.
Very good.
Very good.
Anyone can speak it.
Sorry, ma'am. Repeat again.
Anyone can speak the padam, speak out the padam once. Parshadi Mama Sakhi.
Parshati Mama Sakhi Ma Kuru Devita Maini Ma Ula Mauli Mani Shrinu.
Yeah, very good. That's actually here also. No? Yeah. Now we can do the 24 mudras, hand gestures one by one.
Well, ma'am, I have a request.
Yeah.
After that mudras, when you complete that, ma'am, please also teach us that line that we enjoy this workshop so that we can share that experience and show that mudra while we share.
Sorry, can you speak it once more?
Wait, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can you please teach us that I like the workshop very much, so that we can show while we experience while we share our experience.
Of course. We will do it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
എനിക്ക് workshop നല്ല ഇഷ്ടമായി. ഇതൊന്ന് കാണിക്കാം. ഇപ്പൊ കാണിച്ചെടുക്കാം.
കാണിക്കാം.
Now we will show you that first, okay? V that we have studied. V. Mushti. Starting from left side. Yeah.
നമുക്ക് E.
This. Yeah.
Left hand. This 2 times up and down. Pallavam, mudra pallavam, 2 times
Yeah,
up
correct,
and down.
correct. This.
Once more. V. Once more. V. E. അവസാനം മതി. ആദ്യം പറ. ഒന്ന് പറ. നീ പറ. ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ.
We like this workshop very much, right? Yeah.
Okay.
V.
Small change. V. Like ishtam. Like. Love. It's okay. Better love. We love this workshop. Love. This. Workshop. Kathakali. Kali.
One hand kadagam, left
One
hand
hand
kadagam,
kadagam,
and right hand urnanabam, mushti and urnanabam. Yeah. Then one
Kathakali.
hand.
Workshop. Pravritti.
Work. Mushti in both
Mushti.
hands.
Both hands. Workshop. Very much. ഏറ്റവും.
Full stop.
We love.
Hamsasin. Yeah.
Smile. We love this.
Using left hand. Yeah.
Left.
Yeah.
Workshop. Kathakali. Katha. Story. Starting left side. Small movements. And round. Down and up. Kathakali. Play. Kathakali. Workshop. Left hand, right hand.
Yeah. Right.
Same movements.
Small rotation.
Same movements.
Yeah.
Workshop.
Very
much.
Yes.
Very much.
Full stop.
Okay. We can do it. We love
This. Yeah. Kathakali.
Katha story. story.
Yes. Kali.
Play.
Yeah. Kadagam and Urnanagam. Just small movement. Kali. Yeah.
Play. Kathakali. Workshop. Doing. Workshop. Very much.
Yes.
Super.
Yes.
Super. Happy. We are both happy. Okay.
Now we will do our mudras, 24 mudras.
One more. Patakam.
You can speak also. Anyway, we done here. You can speak it. Yeah, patakam. In front of our chest, and knee should be like this. Always, when we show mudra, we should keep our hands like this.
Patakam.
Yeah. Patakam.
Mudrakyam. Katakam. Mudrakyam and one finger down. Mushti. Kartari Mukham. Sukatunda. Kapitthakam. Hamsapaksham. Shikaram. Hamsasyam. Anjali. Ardhachandra. Mukuram. Don't touch. This finger don't touch. Mukuram. Triptiji, don't touch this finger. Okay. Yeah. Mukuram. Brahmaram. Sujika Mukham. Pallavam. Tripatakam. Mrigashirsham. Touch.
Yeah.
Sarpashirasa.
Yeah.
Vardhamanakam.
For diamond, we need this one. Vardhamanakam.
Aralam. Vardhamanakam Aralam. Urnanabam. Mukulam. Katakamukam. Okay.
Yes.
Now
we will practice that words we have studied and sentence we have studied, because today is the last day, so we have to remember. At least we have to remember that much words and sentences. Okay?
You have to send a video of all that, right?
Yeah, we will. Of course,
All,
we will do
all
it.
the words, yeah.
Yeah, all the words and sentences one by one we will do.
Okay, after a workshop, we want to practice.
Of course, sir. That is great to hear. We will send. Okay. Yeah. I will say, speak out the words. You have to show. Try anyway. Head. Head, not forehead. Head. Yeah. Rohitji is showing correctly. Kavya also. That is face. Triptiji. Head. Mauli. We have studied for Mauli Mane. Mauli. Yeah. Sujika Mukha. Now, forehead. Yes. Patagam, Rohitji. Patagam. In front of forehead, we are showing in every mudra. We are showing in front of forehead, nose, eyes, etc. So now eyebrow. Eyebrow. Sujika Muga. Yeah.
Eyebrow.
Now eyes.
This is not eyes. It's Rohitji. Shikaram. Shikaram.
And inwards towards eye.
Eyes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now nose.
Vardhamanagam. Nose. Lips.
Lips. Yes. Vardhamanagam in left hand.
Hamsasya.
And then Hamsasya with right hand. Starting
Two
from left
tight.
to right.
Front of lip.
Teeth. Yes. Arala.
Arala.
Vardhamanagam and Aralam are almost same. Vardhamanagam is this and Aralam is this. Just one finger different. This thing. Yeah. Aralam. Aralam.
Teeth.
Now neck. Also.
Neck. Okay.
Neck.
Mrigashisham. Two tied up and down. Left hand. Only left hand.
Cheek.
Cheek.
Yes. Kavya is doing.
Cheek. That's not cheek. This is thinking, not cheek.
Yes. Mukulam.
Mukulam. Starting from here and go
to ear.
Ear and
Then
come
down.
back. Two times.
2 times.
Keep smile. Cheek.
Now face.
Face.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now
Right.
change it. Right. Starting
With Hamsa Paksham. From the opposite
left
side.
hand opposite side starting. Right hand opposite side starting. And finishing the
Oh,
same.
we can use any hand. If we are using right hand, we have to start from left to right. Finish at right side. And if we are using left hand, we have to start from right and then finish at the left side.
Small round. Not
Small
change.
round in
Not
front
change.
of
Not
our
change.
face. Yeah. Yes. Kattari mukha finish.
Beat. Beat.
Beat.
Beat.
Not clear.
Not clear. Beat. Beat me.
This
Beat.
one.
Beat.
Mudra enti.
Beat. One hand straight and second hand open straight backside and beat.
Like the normal people. I do like this.
Kathakali beat.
Kathakali.
Traditional beat.
Beat. Now, hand.
Hand.
Yes.
Okay. Straight.
Yes. And similarly, the other hand also. Leg.
Kelag.
Yes. Yes, yes. Padakam.
Patak.
Now you.
You.
I.
I.
Yes.
See. Yes. See.
Here. Yes. Here. Now, love.
Yeah.
Like.
Hamsapaksha. Like. Small movements. Mudrakya. Mudrakya. Mind.
Mind. Wish. Wish. Yesterday we have studied. Wish. Okay. Yeah, wish.
And starting here.
Starting from the mind. Yeah.
Small smile and more smile. Open.
Starting with Mudrakyam and ending with Hamsabaksham. Yeah, wish.
Mm.
Now, sky. Arthachandra in both hands. Yeah, right.
Open.
Then heaven. Mudrakyam in both hands. Yeah. Now earth. Earth. Yeah. Hamsabaksham. And then Patagam. Hell. 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 Yeah. Open. Padakam in both hands.
More open eyes.
I should be maximum wider. And finally, our look should be downwards. Yeah. Now, elephant. Next. Yeah, lion. Lion.
Left side.
To the center. While coming to the center, we should close this knees towards our and our face should be Raudram. Bhibalsam, sorry. Disgust. Yeah.
Monkey.
Monkey. Small mudra. Yeah, Mukula.
Monkey.
Monkey. Dear. Dear. Yes. No. Yeah, Rohit ji is showing correct. Tripti ji, it is B. Only one hand.
Only one hand.
Ilayaraja, you have to keep your knees like this, straight, not down. Yeah.
Front side movements. Yes.
Yes. Now B.
B.
Yes. Same mudra. We are vibrating. Now, flower. Flower. Both way we can do. Yeah. Now garden.
Open.
Just open. Yeah. No. Happy. Happy. Yes. Yeah. That smile should be in our face.
Happy.
Now fire. Fire. Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Very good. River. Yeah. Same mudra. Direction only is different. River is from up to down. Fire is from down to up. River. Now, father. Father.
Good. Rohit ji. What? Father.
Mushti to indicate man. Yeah. Hamsabaksham. One small round inwards. Go up. Mudrakyam. And then opening to Hamsabaksham. Father.
Son.
Similarly, son. Small change. Yeah.
Kartari.
Instead of
Kartari
mushti,
mukha.
we have to use Kartari mukha. Way is same. Mother. Starting with mushti, then Hamsabaksham, one small round, and at the same position, keep mushti in both hands. Sorry, kadagam in both hands.
Keep smile. Small smile.
Mother. Now, what all we have studied? I don't remember. We have studied.
Come.
Come, yeah, come.
Go. Come and go. Okay. Come. Go. Padagam. One round. And same position. Open. And that corner. Go. Go.
Very. Yeah, very. Now, good, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yes, correct.
Correct.
You know the mudra, yeah. Starting Mushti. Sujikamukam in left hand. Hamsabaksham. Hamsabaksham in right hand. And finally end it. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Friend. Friend. Yeah. Can be male or female. Male, if it is male, both hand.
Both hand
Padakam.
Padakam.
If it is female, left hand Kadakam. I have a very good friend. I have a very good friend. Yeah, I have a very, a very, good,
Good,
very
good friend.
good,
Beautiful, good.
good and beautiful. We are using same mudra. Yeah,
Beautiful.
good friend. Yes.
Who? Beautiful friend, who?
No.
Okay. Now gold.
Gold.
Brother.
yeah,
Brother.
Brother.
Brother. Sister. Kadakam.
Kadakam and Mudrakyam.
Elder. And Kadakam. Gold.
Correct.
Gold.
Kadakam in both hands. To and fro movement.
Silver.
Silver.
Diamond.
Shobha. Shobha. Grace. Shobha.
Grace.
Mushti. Then Urnanabham. One complete round. And at the center,
Mushti.
Mushti and Hamsapaksha. Yeah. Shobha.
Once more.
Starting with Mushti, then Urnanabham, one complete round. At the center, first Mushti, one inwards and one outwards. Yeah. Then the same way we can show blood also. Slight difference between Shobha and blood.
Blood.
Face expression is different. Starting from the left,
And straight round.
ending the same Mushti and yeah. The difference is for Shobha we have rounded. For blood we have straight rotation. Yeah.
Face it on.
And our face expression should be different. For Shobha we have to express smile and express maximum.
Chopha.
For Chora we have that bibulsum, disgust feeling. Yeah.
Chopha.
Now we'll practice the Churikpa. First, Mudrakyam in both hands. Then Hamsapaksham in right hand. The same side rotation from the right to the center, 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 to And then to the opposite side, yeah, to the left. And reaching at the same position. Similarly, the other hand. By practicing Churipal, we will get flexibility to our body. Yeah, second Churipal. Starting to the opposite side first. Yeah. When we reach in front of our opposite hand, we have to keep Ardha Chandra. Yeah. We have to practice this rotation very. Next, third Churipal. To the side. Yeah. Ardha Chandra to the side only. Now next, Hamsa Paksham. Both hands together and the body also. Next, Mushti. Open it, Hamsa Paksham. Both hands, Hamsa Paksham, yeah. And similarly to the opposite side. Yes. He will do the Parshadi Mamasaki. You can do with him. You can do that mudra. You have seen that video, right? So he will show you that with Padam. We can do the mudra together. Yeah. Once more, he will do it. You can do the mudras. The correct time you can. You can do the mudras at the same time with him. How much time he is taking for it's depend on song because it is not live. Otherwise, the singing and performance both are live. Then we can do it more perfect. I think now this song is recorded, so he's doing according to that. This is Kayittu Maran, first thing. Yeah, you can start the mudras. Yeah, now you can practice that mudra once again by saying and you can.
Parshati. Address.
Parshati.
Parshati.
Mama.
Mama. Sakhi. Address.
Sakhi. Makuru.
Ilayaraja. Down.
Yeah.
Makuru.
Devidam. Cry. Manini. Manini ma.
Manini.
No,
That's
Manini.
beautiful. Manini. Finished.
Yeah.
And small.
Brigashesha. Yeah.
Manini. Mar.
Mar. Plural.
Plural. Kula.
Kula. Group.
Group. Kula. Mauli.
Mauli.
Head. Mane.
Mane. Diamond.
Okay.
Mane.
Address.
Addressing. Yeah. Srinu. Here. Please here. Yeah, full stop. Yes.
Tim datta. Good,
Yes.
good. You have any experience for
We will do that Navarasam and Vaishnav. After that, you can ask anything. If you want to ask some words or sentence or anything, you can ask or you can write it. Triptiji will ask.
Sringaram.
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 Yeah. Sringaram. Second,
Hasyam.
Hasyam. Small smile.
Good.
Karuna.
Karuna. Sadness. Next, fourth one,
Raudram.
Raudra. Anchor. Maximum widen your eyes. Yeah. Next, fifth one,
Veeram.
Veeram.
Heroism.
Heroism. Yeah. I am myself the hero. That feeling.
Bhayanakam. Next one. Fear.
Fear. To left and right, left and right. Next, Bibelsam. Yeah. Disgust.
Adbhudam.
Adbhudam. Wonder.
Wonder.
Namaskar, Oni ji. Just want 1 minute disturbance. How are you?
Okay.
So we are
Okay,
having
fine. It's good.
we are having today a presentation session between 2 to 4 p.m. So everybody is requested to join this session, and we are having a trial session for the coordinator who is representing on the behalf of all. So So if you have already chosen that, please convey that already. Send a text message in the chat box. He must send me a message, so I will share the ID so he can rehearse at that time between 12 to 1 p.m. Okay, sir. And
Okay.
request to all, please share with all your friends today's session morning. Today's presentation session and the whole night session with all the friends and everybody, so everybody can see today's special session. I hope it's clear to you. Everybody is clear. Minu,
Tripti,
you
have you
are
finalized someone or not?
Hello.
Tripti,
Minu
have you
is
finalized?
Actually, sir, Kumar ABS sir told me that he will do.
okay.
Who?
ओके बट आई वुड सजेस्ट कि अभी कोई अगर यंग वन लोग आएंगे कुमार एबीएस के हमारे बहुत पुराने वॉलंटियर हैं, हम रिक्वेस्ट
Yes,
करेंगे
sir.
कि कोई यंग आना चाहिए, यंग लोग का रिप्रेजेंटेशन ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा.
मैं
तो
तो
आई
सिर्फ
रिक्वेस्ट.
मैं तो सिर्फ मैसेज दूंगा.
ओके सर, उसमें हम लोग क्योंकि समय बहुत कम है एबीएस जी, तो कि हम उसमें सिर्फ एक बच्चे को ही बुला रहे हैं जो अपनी बात कहेंगे.
तो मैं
तो
क्या
वो
करूं?
आप जी, आपका मैं माफी चाहूंगा, इस वक्त सिर्फ बच्चे के लिए हम लोग उसके पे समय इतना कम होगा क्योंकि हम एक बच्चे को ही चाहेंगे कि वो सभी के बिहाफ पर अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर पाए.
और मैं मैसेज इसको तृप्ति को भेजूं?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. वो बाकी जो सभी लोग यहाँ पर जितने भी हैं, सब लोग अपना उन्होंने जो भी सीखा है, अगर उनको लगता है कि वो प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं तो वो अपना वीडियो हमारी वेबसाइट पर अपलोड कर सकते हैं. हम सभी का प्रेजेंटेशन एक सीक्वेंस में जल्दी ही दिखाना चाहेंगे, तो जिनको लगता है उन्होंने अच्छा कुछ सीखा है, वो अच्छा कुछ बना सकते हैं, वो अपना वीडियो बनाकर हमारी वेबसाइट पर अपलोड कर सकते हैं. ओके सर, थैंक यू सो मच. नमस्कारम.
Thank you, sir.
तृप्ति, कोई स्टूडेंट ट्राई करना, कोई स्टूडेंट सिलेक्ट हो.
भैया मैं ही कर दूंगा. हेलो.
चलो ठीक है, एक बार देख लेना, अभी जैसा हो तो बताना फिर, जो भी
हाँ
सिलेक्ट हो.
हाँ, ओके ओके. या ऑल राइट ऑल राइट.
Okay, we will continue. Adbhudam, wonder. Shandam.
Peace.
Peace.
Fine. Someone, Raja, asked, is there any mudra for daughter? Right? Yeah, there is.
Father, son. Daughter is very difficult. And ladies mudra,
Kadagam.
katakam. Left hand katakam and straight right side. And starting Hamsapaksham in front of mudra, right hand, and round in back, upside, straight, and mudrakyam, and open it Sujigamukha. Okay. Near
This Kadagam.
near Kadakam. Once more.
So we are starting with left hand on the right side. So left hand Kadagam, and in front of that Kadagam mudra, we are keeping Hamsapaksham on the right hand, and then one small rotation. And Sujika and Mudrakyam. Keep smile and up eyes. And
Shivjika.
Shivjikamukhi.
Okay. This is ladies and
Daughter.
daughter.
Clear?
Clear?
That's
Clear,
little
Raja?
bit difficult.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. ഇനി എല്ലാ രസത്തിനും ഒരു മുദ്രകൾ വെച്ച് each one രസം.
For every rasa that we have studied, 9 navarasa, so he will show mudra connecting with every rasa. He will show one mudra for every one, starting with Shrinkaram.
Shrinkaram, beautiful lady.
Shrinkaram we can easily, we have studied.
Beautiful lady.
While
Shrinkaram.
speaking about beautiful ladies, in our face there will be Shrinkaram, that
Smile.
love, smile, eyebrows and neck. Beautiful ladies. Yeah, this indicates Shrinkaram. Now moving to Hasyam.
Hasyam.
Silly.
Silly
Silly
mudra.
guy.
Silly mudra.
Silly.
Silly guy.
To indicate silly mudra is this
Ardhachandram.
Ardhachandram.
Ardhachandram. Slow movement. Coming to mouth.
Mukulam. And then Ardhachandram. Again Ardhachandram.
Silly. Silly.
That is Hasyam. Now Karuna.
Karunam.
That we have studied. Cry. Sadness. Cry.
Do mudra.
Yeah. We can do it together. These mudras are very easy. And we have described sadness. And in our face, that rasa should be, bhavan should be karuna. Now, Raudram,
Fire.
anchor,
Fire.
fire. While showing fire in our face, there should be anchor. Yeah. With bhava.
With bhava.
Now, Veeram,
Veeram.
heroism.
Elephant.
Elephant, yeah.
Veeram.
Now, Bhayanagam. Bhayanagam,
Fear.
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 Fear. Mudra is also fear. Now, Bibalsam, disgust.
Blood.
Blood. We have studied blood. While showing blood, the face should be like Bibalsam. Blood. Now, Adbhudam,
Beautiful.
beautiful. Yeah. Face expression. And final, Shandam, peaceful,
Meditation.
meditation. Yeah, these are the mudras and Navarasam together. Now, you can, you can ask, you can share, and you can ask if you want any mudras or anything. You can ask somebody. Yeah, you can share your experience. Raja Narayan, what is your name? You have not introduced, I think. What is your name?
You can say by unmuting your mic. Ilayaraja, you can say by unmuting your mic.
Sanjita.
She left.
Yeah.
Oh, I think so.
No.
Ma'am, my name is Sanjita.
Yeah, you are from which place?
Hosur.
Hosur, okay.
Karnataka.
Karnataka,
Hi.
right? Yeah.
Which standard?
8th standard.
Okay. Nice.
Any other dance form you study?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay. Everyone is doing good. You are also doing good. That is why we are asking. If Tripti you can ask if they can share their experience and they can ask if they want any sentence, words, or anything. If we know, we will.
Well, Sanjita, do you want
They
to
can.
share your experience in 2 to 4 sessions?
Okay.
If you don't have any problem, Sanjita, am I audible to you? Yeah.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Can you share your experience?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Okay, now then I will give your number to Pankaj sir.
Hmm.
Yeah, okay. And I will add you in that group and I will give your number. Okay. Thank you. And I request from other delegates also to share your experience with sir. I will add sir or ma'am in the group which I made, that Kathakali workshop group. I will add ma'am and please share your experience with them so that they can also know what they teach us and what we learn from them.
Yeah, that will be a great experience for us also. We should know anyway. We should know your feedback. What changes you want and what you did you like it or not. That we should anyway. We are happy to hear from you, so you can add us also in that group so that we can. sharing in that group. This is not working. I am trying to follow something. Yeah, Rohitji, I understood because sometimes it is like stuck or something. Yeah, that is because of internet problem. Anyway, why? Because all are cooperating very much with us. This online workshop, we were thinking like if somebody left is leaving the meeting, then also we cannot do anything. We cannot insist them to sit here like that. And if it is offline live workshop, then we can tell them don't leave like that. But if in internet, we can net problem will be there, and if they are not interested, they can leave. But in this workshop, everyone cooperated very nicely. Everyone did, and everyone in this 5 days, everyone we think like I think one left after 2 days. That
Rajiv Kota.
Kota from Kota, one man was there. He left. Anyway, that is not a problem. Everyone was there with us in this journey. And Anubhav workshop, we should say here also that Anubhav workshop did a great job in this time. Now we know everyone, the whole world is suffering with this corona and all. We are also simply sitting in home itself. We cannot see any person. We cannot go outside like that. But now, this 1 week, the entire 1 week, we enjoyed a lot. We had a great time that way. With art, everyone can get some peace and some happiness in mind. But while doing this workshop, we were not at all care about anything. We are just into this workshop and we have enjoyed a lot with this. In Speakmaker, he was working. He have been working for so many years. He did so many lecture demonstration in colleges, schools, and colleges. And I am also, whenever I get time, I will also go with him. Wherever I can go, I will also, if I have work, I don't get time. Otherwise, I will also join him every day. And for me also, this is a great experience so that I can coordinate, I can speak for him. It will be a great experience for me also. And doing together, we enjoyed. Sometimes he will say after you did that, you did this. Anyway, this experience is very great. Everyone. That is because of your cooperation only. The success of this workshop depends on your cooperation, not depends on ours. I think in that way also, everyone. We had anyway. I don't know from your side. From our side, we had a great experience. Thank you, Speakmaker. Thanks a lot. and you can, if you want to ask something, you can ask. Feeling sad because today this workshop is going to end. That is our sadness. Anyway, hope we will meet again. We will get chance to contact. We can meet together on a live workshop, not online. Also, we will hope so. You are Triptiji, you are unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. We also hope to see you next year in the next convention where it will be happen. I hope it's IIT Kanpur next year, and we hope to see you there.
Yeah, we will like to continue with making.
Yeah, and the whole session, whole week was gone like we cannot even express our gratitude and the pleasure that how much we learn. And it's our daily routine. Just we wake up and we do all these. It's a routine. And from tomorrow we will not all do this.
Yeah.
It was such an enlightening and intriguing session. Thank you so much, both of you.
Like we feel like we are like a family, and tomorrow onwards, like we should meet. We think like we should meet, and you should or Triptiji have our number, so you can contact with us at any time. You can give our number to all so that they can.
Yes, sure, ma'am. I will share your
any
number with
experience or anything from outside. Yeah, you can message
Ma'am,
us or
Rajni,
call
will
at
share
any time.
from our side also, it's a very great experience, a big opportunity to learn Kathakali from you.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much.
And ma'am, I'm thanking you from all the Speak Make volunteers and on the behalf of Kiran Seth sir also. We are thanking
After
you.
Corona, we will meet anyone.
Anyway, there is a
Sure,
live
sir.
workshop we should meet. Yeah,
In
everybody
Kerala.
keep in touch.
I will just talk to my Jaipur chapter coordinator, ma'am, to coordinate your lecture demonstration program in Jaipur for sure, for a circuit. I will ask.
Yeah, of course,
Okay.
that will be.
Thanks.
Very happy to hear that.
Yes, sure, because we have our circuit programs in Jaipur and in Rajasthan, and I will surely ask ma'am to call your lecture demonstration here for a week.
Oh.
That will be great for us.
Tripti, arrange a workshop in Kerala, no?
Sir, I am not from Kerala chapter. Still, I will ask from the Kerala chapter coordinator to coordinate that program there.
No, we can see Kerala and their program in Kerala.
Sure, sir. I will ask the Kerala chapter coordinator because I am Jaipur chapter coordinator. So I can coordinate only the programs of Jaipur. Only.
It's a very beautiful state, you know.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So anyone has to share or experience, please share. You can ask today. I told today, no problem. You can unmute your mic and say.
Yeah, you can ask if you want to. If you want any mudras or something, you can ask any sentence, or you can ask. And
Rohit, why don't you say something?
Sir, actually, I had a question.
Okay.
Sir, like, what is the role of trance in performance? It is like the limited that I know, but I've got to know that when you perform on stage for hours and when you're preparing with your makeup also, lying in Shavasana, you try to enter a state of the character. So, how much do you like? Do you imbibe or get possessed by the character? Does it actually happen?
നമ്മൾ പിന്നെ സ്റ്റേജിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് ഒന്നും ആലോചിക്കേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. ഇത്രയും നാൾ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചത് മുഴുവൻ നമ്മുടെ ഉള്ളിലുണ്ട്. അതിന് പ്രാക്ടീസ് കൊണ്ട് നമ്മുടെ ഉള്ളിലുണ്ട്. നമ്മൾ ഏത് വേഷം ഇപ്പോൾ സ്റ്റേജിൽ എത്തുന്ന സമയത്ത് രാവണനെ നമുക്ക് കീചകനാവാം. നമ്മുടെ ഉള്ളിൽ എപ്പോഴും ആ സാധനം ഉണ്ട്. നമ്മൾ ചൈൽഡ്ഹുഡിൽ പഠിച്ച സാധനങ്ങളാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഉള്ളിൽ. അപ്പോൾ പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് ഒരു എക്സസൈസ് ദോഷം അത്രയും പ്രാക്ടീസ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന യോഗയാണെങ്കിൽ എക്സസൈസ് സ്റ്റേജിൽ എത്തിയാൽ നമ്മൾ ഏത് ക്യാരക്ടറാണ് അപ്പോൾ വേണമെന്ന് നമുക്ക് ആവാൻ പറ്റും. അത് നമ്മുടെ ഗുരുക്കന്മാരുടെ അനുഗ്രഹവും കഥകളിയുടെ പഠിക്കുന്ന സ്റ്റൈലുമാണ്.
Yeah, he's saying like before entering into stage, nothing will be in his mind. And every artist, like they don't think about nothing, but they have from the childhood itself. From 11 years, he started studying Kathakali. From the childhood itself, he started studying Kathakali, and every character is in his mind. That is, he have practiced so much for each and every character. Like the practice session is very hard. In the case of Kathakali, it is very so hard. They will be like tired like anything. So every character will be in his mind. So that Shavasanam, while doing this chutti, they are in like Shavasana, but he's saying like no need of that also. With their guru's blessing, they can do whatever. If he want to do Ravana at the stage, he will be like Ravana. If want to do Kijaka, he will be like Kijaka. If want to do Nala, whatever it may be, with their guru's blessing, they can do, because that much practice they have did, that much their gurus have taught them. So with their blessing, that is it is all with their blessings only.
രാവണനും കീചകനും സെയിം ക്യാരക്ടറാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റേജിൽ രാവണനായിട്ട് വരുമ്പോഴാണ് സ്റ്റേജിന്റെ പുറത്തുനിന്ന് പറയുന്നത് കഥ സ്റ്റോറി മാറ്റിയാണ് കീചകനാണ്. നോട്ട് പ്രോബ്ലം ഫോർ
He is saying like Ravana and Kijaka, they are, although they are different, they are like their characteristic is like same for them. If first he was told to act like Ravana, and if once while he reaches on the stage, if audience want to play Kijaka's role, then also it should not be a problem. It is not a problem for an artist, because it is there in his mind. So they can perform anything. Now in first session, somebody asked like if in which character they are playing most, and like all. In his case, not in his case, and every young artist, they play every role very nicely. And also they are not concentrated on one character. Is doing Pacha, Katti, Minik, mainly this Pacha, Katti, Minik, and also ladies character and everything. They have showed you that photo, right? His photo as Krishnan and that lady character. So they need to perform every character, and they like to perform every character also. Then only their the artist they have from the childhood, they have given everything in this art form. They are living for this art form. Yeah.
Ma'am, and like, does it happen that while performing, in the middle of performance, he gets uh, he gets lost in the character completely, and he is not doing it himself, and it just keeps happening for 1 hour, and then he realizes and comes back to the stage. Like, it happens on its own. He gets possessed in a way.
പെർഫോം ചെയ്യുന്നതിനിടയിൽ എല്ലാം നോസായി പോയി തോന്നുന്നു. പക്ഷെ വരിക അറിയാതെ പെർഫോം ചെയ്യുക.
അത് ചില ക്യാരക്ടറിൽ അങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാകും. പൂതരാമോക്ഷം അഭിനയിക്കുമ്പോൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് സീനിൽ നമ്മൾ ഭഗവാനെ വല്ലാണ്ട് ഓർത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് അറിയാതെ അതിലേക്ക് വന്നിട്ട് നമ്മൾ മരണം നമ്മൾ കാണുന്ന ഒരു ഫീലിങ്സ് വരാം.
He's saying many times he had experienced that, like mainly in Putana Moksham, you know, I think you all know the story of Putana Moksham. The
Krishna.
Yeah, Krishna. Kamsan is sending a lady to kill Krishna. So Putana is that lady. So after feeding Krishna with poison, but Krishna is Lord. So finally, Putana is going to death. At that stage, he's saying like he will be like losing everything, and he can feel the death in front, like completely into that character only, not like is CM Undi Krishna. At that time he is not like that artist, only that character. Many times he have experienced is saying. This is Krishnan. He only his Vesham only like Krishna. Krishna is Pacha character and with a different. This is called Mudi. That Kiridam, that headgear is called Krishna Mudi. And this is Chutti. While doing this Chutti, another man will do it for him. Chutti artist, special people. That time it will take that Chutti it will take 1 hour. And this is Krishna Pacha Vesham. And this is Katti, Ravana. For Katti in Norse, there is like that character. You can understand by seeing the photo itself. The feeling feeling will be like Kruger, Ravana. Here in Ravana and his wife Mandodari. Here there are 2 headgears on the 2 sides. This in the beginning only this will be there. There is some man in the back side. There is some man, and they are keeping this headgear. This is to indicate Ravana, because Ravana has 10 heads, right? To show his heads. This will be in the first scene only. This head will be there, and after that it will remove. You can see, right? No.
Mic is on mute.
Okay. This is Shiva character. Shiva. The face color is little bit different. For Krishna and all, it is pacha on the face. Here it is like a orange, light orange color. This is called pulp. Yeah. This is like Krishna only. first we have showed, but this character is Sri Rama and Krishna. They are same. The difference is Krishna is having that flute in his hand, and Rama is having that bow and arrow. That is the only difference. The Vesham is like exactly same. And this is my Vesham, my first Krishna only. This is my first Vesham with him. Yeah, Krishna only. Actually, I had that videos that I also performed the same part, Parshadi Mama Saki Ma Guru Devi, that Krishna part. I also performed the same for my first performance. I had that video with me. Anyway, I will send the video in WhatsApp or that group. I will share the video so that you can watch.
Thanks.
Everything okay? I think now the time is 12. Triptiji.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir, for that wonderful workshop. We really enjoyed a lot and we really learned a lot from you, and it was very interesting and intriguing. And on the behalf of entire Speakmaker volunteer team and also Dr. Student Sir, we are heartily thanking you.
Thank you so much, Speakmaker entire team.
Anuphav series.
Anuphav series.
We had a great experience also.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kumar sir.
Thank you.
Rohit, Raja, Sri Gauri, Meenu, Tripti ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.